So I just wanted to like literally show you what this soap is like. So this is our new vegan soap. It is going to look different whenever we make it for sale, but these are samples that are available today. So I'm going to wash my hands with it. Ooh. Nice suds. Nice suds. Wow, it smells so good. It smells so good. Wow, you only need a little bit. Okay. All right. So that's our vegan soap. That's so nice. Oh, I see. This is Nigel's bathroom. I see he's out of sugar scrub, so I'm going to have to bring some of that in here. All right. Okay, so that's our new soap. Get yours today. I'm going to rinse it off so you can see that too. So it has the Nigel Jamaican almond oil in it. Ooh, shea butter. And it is vegan. We use vegan coloring. And wow. Wow. I guess I was dry. All right. There you go. While supplies last, we have our free sample of vegan soap. So it's not going to be this size, you guys. It's going to be a little smaller. It's sample size. But yeah, any order of $10 or more today or until they're gone, that's what you'll get. Ooh, that's so nice. Look at that. Wow. I'm glad I did this video. That made a big difference. I was a dry dragon.